Alright, tube, Dre here. Getting ready to change the wheel bearing on this 2001 Cadillac Deville. And how do I know I need a wheel bearing? First of all, I can hear the damn thing sink when I drive down the road. And check this out. Nope, my lugs are not tight. I mean, lugs are not loose. But you can hear it. That is a bad bearing. Got the tire off. And first of all, I want to say that these AutoZone brake pads, a little brake dust, but not as bad as them damn Detroit axle. The next thing I want to say is what I got to do to get this doggone thing off. I guess take the caliper off. I got the caliper, brake pads, rotor off, and it's halfway hanging on that. It's mostly resting on lower control line. All right, and I got 13mm socket here, one here, well, bolt, I'm sorry, here, bolt here, and I'm assuming I got 4 on the back side. I'm going to take these two off, turn the wheel the other way, and hopefully I can get the other 2 off. And I forgot to bring my sludge hammer. And you know what else I forgot to do? Take that bolt off. But it is locked in part. And I hope I got a socket. You know, I gotta check to see I got a socket big enough to take this off. Alright guys, I want to check this out. I went to AutoZone. I needed a 1 5/16 socket to get the bolt off. AutoZone had one, but it wasn't deep enough. Well, let me change that. I thought I could get it to work, even though it wasn't deep enough. So, but then, this part of the socket, like this is a 1/2-inch drive. Their socket was bigger than that. I don't know what you call it. So I had to buy an adapter before I could even use the socket. Okay. I put the adapter on, put my regular pull handle on, breaker bar, whatever you want to call it, and the doggone socket popped off because it wasn't deep enough to turn it. So I had to go to Napa and buy this for $18. This is a 5 1/16 socket, and it's deep enough to go all the way on. And I haven't put any pressure on the doggone thing, but I'm assuming it's gonna work. It's amazing how you can have 2 toolboxes full of tools and still not have the right socket or the right tool. It's crazy, man. But you know, it's cheaper than paying Cadillac or anybody else to do it, so whatever, man. This is the socket I bought from AutoZone. Notice the big old opening. I didn't even notice that after I bought it. Had to go back and buy this adapter to get it to work. It fits, but when you put a little pressure on it, it falls off. So, went to Napa. It fits. And I guess I want to get some WD-40 to put on that. Not even that tight. Good old GM. All right, guys, check this out. I just got through driving my car because I had to go get the socket for this thing. Well, how about there's a bolt here, there's a bolt here, and there's a bolt here. I'm sorry, here. So there's 3 bolts. And how about the thing is coming loose? It's coming loose already. I straightened the wheel up so I could let's see, move this out of the way. Move this out the way so I can get the bolt. Y'all might be able to see that. Should have turned the damn wheel. Where's that bolt? You know they put Loctite on these damn things, so I can't use my ratchet, power ratchet. That and the battery is kind of low too. Yeah, this damn thing seems like it's getting tighter. Yep, GM put that damn Loctite on there. I can't use my power ratchet. Okay, this ain't working. Damn Loctite. Yeah, my hand's just that weak. Why is this thing so stiff? You know what? It probably would have helped if I sprayed WD-40 on these bolts. Then again, it might not. It's getting easier now. Real easy. I was turning. Well, I thought I could turn it, but my hand can't touch it. Use this now. Okay. All right. Gonna squeeze that little collar. Release that. Now it's a matter of getting the damn axle to turn loose. This thing here. Well, it's almost out, y'all. Even though you're wearing gloves to keep grease from getting everywhere, get you some paper towel and wipe your gloves like that. That'll keep you from leaving grease on everything. Yep, I think they're the same. Turn this thing this way, might make it easier. You know, guys, it would help if it didn't have this damn clip on here. This clip is what's making it so wide that I can't get it to go through. Made a big deal out of a small problem. Now we got to get this to go in just enough. Is that right? There we go. Watch this fall. Oh. Okay. slide right in.
That's lined up.
That's all I had to damn do. That's all I had to do was push the damn thing on.
That's what actually did you had to line up. I'm seeing my friend. She moved out.
Who that?
With the BMW.
They just left a minute ago.
Huh?
Him and her just left a minute ago. I mean, a few minutes ago. Well, I think it was earlier.
I'm seeing her. What's her name is?
Yeah, I don't remember.
Just on the way happened to the BMW.
You know, if it ain't a young man, I ain't gonna remember the name. And even then, I might not.
First, I thought she was driving that electric car because that BMW kept messing up on her.
You know why the black folk be trying to ball? Can't buy a BMW and you got money. I know a good mechanic. That's going on without too much pressure, so I guess I'm forcing it on just against my damn leg. Oh, this is what I took off.
You put a whole new one on.
As long when you can. Is it going on? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it's going on. Yeah, I guess I'm forcing it.